In this video, we will learn how to protect selected cells instead of protecting the entire sheet in Excel. In general, protecting the sheets will disable a user to edit an entire sheets, which can be seen here. For protecting the selected cells, first we need to select the entire sheets. After selecting, we will unlock it. Now select all those cells which you want to protect and lock it. As you can see, I have selected those cells and locked it, which I want to protect, so that no one else can edit it. Once you have locked all those cells you want to protect, then to protect the sheet as usual. You will then find that only those cells you have locked are protected, and in the rest of the cells, you can edit the text. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.